Hi and hello, welcome to a brand new episode of Subham Speaks. And let me tell you that Makaut has just now released a notice. In this notice, it has been stated that there has been a severe problem of server and it would be resolved very soon. As I told you in my last video that there has been a server issue, you don't need to worry, don't get panic stricken. The same thing has been said in the notice that the university would take care of everything and you don't have to worry about the time factor as well, because it has been stated in the notice that your exam will start exactly from that point from where it got disconnected. So जैसे कि नोटिस में बताया गया है कि आपका एग्ज़ाम स्टार्ट होने वाला है बहुत ही जल्दी, और ये टाइम जो लैप्स हुआ है ये सारे सर्वर प्रॉब्लम के वजह से, इसको लेके आपको कोई भी चिंता नहीं करने का, क्योंकि बहुत ही जल्दी एग्ज़ाम स्टार्ट होने वाला है और ये पूरा जो टाइम लैप्स हुआ है इसका ख्याल यूनिवर्सिटी रखेगा. So you don't have to worry, things will start very soon, and best wishes for your exams. Thank you all. Stay tuned with Shubham Speaks only.